along these elements, which probably could be also areas of bones, but this is actually a part of a pulpit. You can tell by the angle, and it's showing Abraham sacrificing his son Isaac with the wood on the side, and it's a pulpit. You can go up the steps on the right here and go on up, connect to a different part that no longer exists, but that is part of an old pulpit. It says a banister from an Ambo, which is a pulpit 6th century. I wonder what church it was from. It's probably from St. John's Basilica, or it could be from St. Mary's. Even here by the staff, by the garbage, actually you have this vision here, and it's a curve, so it could have been the outside of a pulpit, and you have the creature like a angel or an image, but with that curving on that space could have been the pulpit going in some part of St. John's Basilica, possibly.